I created this medieval house in Unreal Engine under 2 minutes. First, choose the floor tile. Duplicate. Everything snaps at the 1 meter grid. Now, pick any wall you want. Rotation fits right at 90 or 180 degrees. You can change any wall with any other. Rotate 180 degrees in order to face outside. Now choose the roof. Snaps with wall height at 300 Unreal units, 3 meters, 3 snaps. And done! Let's look inside. Coming soon on Fab.